Likas sa atin ang pagiging mainipin. Ayaw natin na mag-antay. We want things now. But when it comes to our marriage, patience is essential if we want our marriage to last. Hindi ka pwede maging inipin. Hindi mo agad-agad makukuha yung gusto at nais mo.
I agree, Claire, no? Dapat sa isang mag-asawa, ma-master nila yung art of being patient. Alam po ninyo, patience is one of the most important marriage skills every couples need to learn and practice on a daily basis. Kailangan talagang matutunan to ng mag-asawa. Kung dapat staple yan, honey, no? So ang tanong, what does patience mean in marriage?
Unang-una, patience in marriage means that you understand that your marriage is not perfect. And so as your spouse, both of you are being changed from glory to glory. Kaya wag mong i-expect na ang asawa mo alam lahat. Wag natin kulitin yung asawa natin na dapat lahat ng gusto mo alam niya agad. Kailangan ma-meet niya yung standards mo. Wag po tayong maglagay ng sobrang taas na standards sa ating asawa na alam natin kahit tayo, imposible nating ma-meet.
Napakagandang paalala niyan sinabi mo, honey. Number 2, patience in marriage means that you won't lose your temper even if your spouse commits mistakes.
Yes.
Unang-una, honey, wala namang perpekto, di ba? Kahit tayong dalawa, paminsan-minsan nagkakaroon ng tampuhan, ng hindi pagkakaintindihan. Alam po ninyo, you won't say hurtful words sa inyong pagsasama o sa isa't isa. As much as possible, learn to control your mouth. You need to practice self-control and not lash out on your spouse. Minsan kasi, honey, sobrang guilty tayo dyan, di ba? Out of emotions, out of minsan galit, kung ano-anong lumalabas sa bibig mo, that later on, na sabi mo, bakit ko ba ito nagawa? O bakit ko ba ito nasabi?
Okay, number 3. Patience in marriage is knowing that both of you are in a journey together. And it takes a while for your relationship to grow and mature. So you won't easily give up kapag may dumating na pagsubok sa inyong mag-asawa.
And ang pinakahuli sa lahat, patience in marriage is the capacity to tolerate challenges and delays without getting upset. Anong ibig sabihin yan? Kapag mainit ang iyong ulo, kapag medyo hindi maganda yung pakiramdam mo, magpalamig muna. It is keeping your hope alive that God is the one who holds our future.
Sabi nga po sa Ephesians 4:2, be completely humble and gentle. Be patient, bearing with one another in love.
Lagi po nating tandaan na ang mag-asawang sabay manalangin.
Napagtatagumpayan lahat ng suliranin.
Ako po si Bong Pineda.
Ako naman po si Claire para sa Happy Bahay.
Happy buhay!